Rahul Gandhi, if you're tuning in right now, will be fighting from Rai Bareli, the seat that has been for 20 years at least held by Sonia Gandhi, his mother, and now he takes on, many are calling it a safer seat. A seat that has been a bastion for over 20 years, from 2004 now to 2024. Is this a safe seat that has been taken, that most likely he will win because there's an emotional quotient? There has been a regular support for the Gandhi family and for the Congress party compared to Amethi, where it could have been a solid, strong, exciting fight for everyone around. But does it also eliminate the pressure of a prestige fight? Won in 2014, lost in 2019, could have gone either way this time in 2024, but that's not happening anymore. Importantly, like I was mentioning, it's the cadre morale on the ground. For now, in Rai Bareli, there's definitely a boost. What happens in Amethi? Will KL Sharma need a Gandhi face, at least for the campaigning, or will he have to ensure that the cadre is strong enough on the ground to ensure they campaign for him and get him victory? Can he win at all? Or will it be a walkover for incumbent MP Smriti Irani? So let me now go across to Amethi and get an understanding of what's happening there, where Abhishek Mishra is, also Samarth Ishra and Samar Srivastav in Rai Bareli. Remember, for the longest time, Samar, Amethi Rai Bareli was said in like a one word, in one sentence. It was synonymous with the Gandhis and the Congress party. That's not happening, at least 2024 here on. Are workers gathering in Rai Bareli? Because in Amethi, they're still struggling with words. But in Amethi, do you think there's going to be perhaps more excitement?
Well, exactly. I'm clearly seeing a lot of party workers gathering right here around the party office. If you get a glimpse from this particular Central Congress office right there, then you can get the sense. You can clearly see. I'll try to ask some. क्या program है राहुल गांधी का, कब तक आना है?
राहुल जी का अभी देखो आएंगे और उन्होंने अपना नामांकन करना है।
यहाँ पर क्या तैयारी आप लोग की?
लोगों यहाँ पे जो जनता का जो एक उत्साह,
यहाँ कांग्रेस दफ्तर में क्या तैयारी आप लोग?
ये जो है केंद्रीय कार्यालय है और रायबरेली का, तो यहीं से जो है नामांकन के लिए जाएंगे। पहले यहाँ पे हवन करेंगे, अपना हवन में भगवान के लिए आहुति करेंगे, फिर जो है उसके लिए उसके बाद जो है
पूजा पाठ होगा।
पूजा पाठ यही करेंगे अभी तो जो है।
That's what they are saying, that it would be somewhere in afternoon when the nominations will take place. We can expect somewhere between 12 p.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay.
That will be the final time, because 3 p.m. will be the... so that's a version from the Congress leaders. So they are also expecting Rahul Gandhi to come in.
So from 12 p.m. there are going to start with regard to the decorations of the celebrations. In fact, just about a short while ago, and we'll play that visual of the rose petals that were being brought in, and they were being readied for whoever the candidate will be, and now it's going to be Rahul Gandhi. So that's a boost clearly for the Rai Bareli cadre on the ground. Not as much for Amethi, because they're not very sure right now how to campaign, what sort of arrangements to make, and the senior leadership will have to come in there. Also, the guest joining us right now, Rashid Kidwai, senior political commentator, journalist, author, and Rahul Verma, fellow of the Centre for Policy Research. Rahul, I welcome you in now to this morning telecast. What is your first assessment? What do you think is the political calculation possibly that the Congress has done, that they would say a KL Sharma and not a Gandhi or any other senior leader from Amethi?
Thank you. I think I largely agree with what Rashid Bhai said. In some ways, this was a dilemma for the Congress party, what to do in Amethi and Rai Bareli. Because had they announced earlier that Rahul Gandhi is not contesting, then the campaign would have been built around, by the BJP would have been built around that Smriti Irani had defeated him last time, and there's no point, he has to run away from there. And if he decided to contest, then it's a tough seat. And the reason why I'm saying it's a tough seat, because Rahul Gandhi in last two elections, even when he had won in 2014, had only 46% vote share. In 2019, when he lost, had 43% vote share. Whereas in Rai Bareli, Sonia Gandhi has been always well above 55-56% vote share. Second, in 2022 sort of assembly elections, in Rai Bareli, Samajwadi Party has 4 seats out of 5 assembly elections, whereas in Amethi, BJP has 3 seats and Samajwadi Party has just 2 seats. So given that Congress party is in alliance with the Congress party, Rai Bareli in different ways seems to be a safer seat for Rahul Gandhi compared to Amethi. But the campaign, which is that Rahul Gandhi got defeated in Amethi last time and he left the seat. And in some ways, BJP had tried to play up this card that Wayanad also has become a tough seat for him.